Pretty good? We're all good? How are we doing, sir? Okay, let's do an upper back. So turn it perpendicular to your upper back. So you're going to let it sit right there.
So what we're going to do, toe is here, leg goes back.
Now you're going to say, I love myself. I give a little hug. You're going to push your glutes up, roll to the upper, to the middle back. Do not go any lower. This roller is too big for lower back full rolling, okay? Oh, what kind of roller? No, I've heard of them.
I have both of them.
So do they vibrate?
No, they're soft.
Gotcha.
It's called the melt method.
I've heard of it, yeah. Yeah. Nice. So do that about 5-10 times as well. Just a little rolling. You may feel a couple pops. Any popping?
Yes.
It's really bad. I'm joking.
Feels really good.
If you don't laugh at my jokes, then we make it harder. Okay. Yes, definitely. You know, this one's going to be a little painful. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't want to. So we're going to go on that lat sideway, and we're just going to hold it. You're trying to work that upper back, get it right on that, and it's going to be painful. Mine's painful.
Like directly on the side or angled back?
On the lat. So right about there, and lean back a tiny bit. But come to me a little bit. It's a very hard one to find, too. It's not easy. Looks like you got it. And we're not rolling. We're just going to let it sit. So again, so your arm is over, kind of just under the armpit, and lean back a little bit. Not on the scapula, but on that side. You're there, but you don't feel it?
No, I think I just did.
Okay.
Great.
And that's okay if you don't feel it either. You know, I mean, that's a good sign that your back isn't so tight. How you doing over there, Ramona? You feel it? Okay, how you doing? Right. I think so. I'll probably come a little bit lower on that roller. Yep. It's almost like it's like right not here, but right in the middle of the side back right there.
Under your scapula?
Yeah, it's like, again, it's a hard area to find. It takes some time and effort to find that one. That one's a little tricky, but it's so important because our upper back is so tight and full of those trigger points. Yeah, like right here, right there. Let me help you out. Okay, lift this up a little bit, right there, and lean back that way. Tiny bit. Tiny bit.
I think she got it.
Now switch sides, switch sides. If you need help, just let me know. We'll try to get it there. But yeah, it's a little tender usually. It's tender, I would assume, everybody else. You guys want to find it again? Okay.